we are again in the kitchen. Well, it's for a good reason. I have to make 6 dozen cupcakes for my daughter's baby shower on Saturday. It's raining, yucky, cold out, so this actually works out really good to do this today because I can't really do much outside with that. So I gotta make 3 dozen chocolate and 3 dozen yellow, vanilla, whatever you want to call it. And that's gonna be my day. That, and have to hem my dress. That is the end of it. The dress will be finished, and I'm very happy about that. Frosting, so my job is done. Now I'm gonna go to the store and get ingredients I need for dinner and go get the kids. Hello, my loves.
Hi guys, we're going to be doing a play, and as you can see, Woody is laying in the middle. And I'm going to be the dog and the other things, and she's going to be the sheep. This is a sheepdog actually, and this is Woody from Toy Story.
I'm going to be doing a procedure on him.
Okay, ready, set, action.
Where am I?
Oh.
What the heck? Who are you?
I'm a sheepdog.
Where am I?
What?
Oh yeah, right. I'm at my farm. Alright, horsey, it's time to saddle up for adventure. Alright, we're gonna have to round up this cow. Come on, cow, I have to milk you. Put it in the fridge. Alright, come on, put it in the stall. Hey, get back here! I'm gonna cut some wood down. Put it in the fireplace. I'm gonna sit down and relax. Ah! What was that? Hey! Alright, we're gonna take you out to round up the sheep. Come on. I'm gonna get some stuff to make some coats. Come on. Round them up so I can put them in the stalls. Alright, come here. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna make me a new coat.
Woody, I'm cold now.
Alright, it looks like my new coat, but I can't show it because you know it's special. I'll show you it later. Hey, Goose! I hate this Goose. Goose, get in the river.
Gobble, gobble.
Take care of your little chickie. Take care of it.
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble.
Oh, gosh.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble. I'm eating you for dinner. Cut. Thanksgiving. In the trash. No, I'm gonna actually make you stock. I'm gonna make some stock. Give me that chicken back. Take off the little pieces. Alright, I'm gonna make some stock. I'm gonna leave it overnight. What is going off? No. Oh gosh. Come on. Can I put you in the cage? So I'm gonna put you in the cage. There. Alright, come on, in your stall. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. I need some food. I got you, bug.
Ooh. I believe that.
Milk.
Thank you.
Where's my hat? Where is my hat now?
I don't have it.
Horsey, we're gonna go. We're gonna go to town.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, we're at town. We're gonna go and get some fruit. Well, no, not fruit.
Oh wait, face this way.
We're gonna get some stuff. Alright, we're gonna bring it home. Well, this is the end of the show. We're gonna do another show a different day. To be continued. Bum, bum.
Subscribe and hit that huge thumbs up and ring the bell.
Yo!